رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين. Today we are doing exercise 1.6 and it's the chapter number 1 and we are doing again the inversion method. As you know that we have done question number 1 and all the parts were the inversion method. Now I am completing this exercise with the inversion method. When we complete the inversion method, then we go to the Cramer's rule. As you know that here I have written the question number 2 statement. But before we solve this question number 2, we have to read the statement. And when you understand the statement, you can solve it very well. The length of a rectangle, as you know that the length of a rectangle is 4 times its width. The perimeter of the rectangle 150 centimeter. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. First of all, we have to understand what is the length and the width of the rectangle. Then we find the dimensions. What are the dimensions? First of all, here you can see that I write here the solution heading. Now I write the width of the rectangle, and we mention the width with the W, and W is, I suppose, here the x centimeter. Here you can see that this one is the rectangle and this is the x and it is the width and it is the length. Okay, and length is equal to what? According to the statement, then length of the rectangle is equal to L and L is equal to I. Suppose here it is equal to y centimeter. Now I read again the statement. The length, according to the condition here, the length of the rectangle 4 times and the length mean its width mean y is equal to length. It is equal to 4 times mean x 4 times mean x is 4 times y is equal to 4x. Then I can write here 4x is equal to y. Now the perimeter of rectangle is 150 centimeter. First of all, I write here 4x. Here it is positive. Now when it comes to the other side, it becomes negative. 4x minus y, it is equal to 0. And I mentioned here, it is the first equation. We know that perimeter of the rectangle, first of all, we write the perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply width plus length. Here you can see that width L plus length width W and the length is equal to L. Okay, here 2 formula and width is equal to x and length is equal to y. Now perimeter, in the question perimeter is 150 centimeter. Okay, I write here 150 in spite of the perimeter 150. In the place of perimeter I write here 150, and now you can see that 2 multiply x plus y. Here x is width and y is L is width length. Now here 2 is multiplied. When it goes to the other side, it becomes divided. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, and 1 carry, 2 fives are 10, 75. Here x plus y is equal to 75. It is the equation number 2. Now I write here both the equations, equation 1 and the equation 2. 4x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 75. Matrix form. Now I am writing it in the matrix form as we have solved all the parts of the question number 1, and here we have given this form. Only this form was not there. So we make this situation, we complete this statement. Now we are solving. 4 minus 1, 1, 1 and xy, the variables are separated in the matrix form. Now 0 and the 75. Let this one is A, this one is X and it is equal to B. Now we are putting the formula AX is equal to B. Here A is positive, then it comes to the other side, it becomes a multiplicative inverse B. First step of when we go towards the A multiplicative inverse, we find A determinant. A determinant means we put the sign of the determinant and 2 brackets minus 2 brackets. 4 multiply with 1 minus 1 multiply with 1. 4 ones are 4 minus minus plus 1 ones are 1. 4 1 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. It is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular matrix. So solution exists. So we come to the next step and we find the adjoint of A. In the adjoint of A, first diagonal entries we change the place and other 9 diagonal entries we change the symbol. Here as you can see that I change this one place and other 9 diagonal entries we change the sign. Now as we know that A multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 by A determinant multiply adjoint of A. Now we come, therefore A multiplicative inverse we are putting the value 1 by 5 determinant it is equal to 5. So and the adjoint of A means this one value. Put A multiplicative inverse and B in equation 1. X is equal to A multiplicative inverse B. Here A multiplicative inverse this one I am putting here and the B, this is the B value 0 and the 75. Now first row first column, second row first column. There is not other column, so 1 multiply with 0 and 1 multiply with 75. And minus 1 multiply with 0, 1 multiply 4 multiply with 75. Here you can see that 100 plus 75 ones are 75. Minus 1 multiply with 0, 4 multiply with 75, 300. 75, now 5 divided by 75 and 5 divided by 300. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5 fives are 25, okay? 5 ones are 5 to carry, mean 5 twos are 25. 5 6 are 30, 0. So x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 60. I hope you will understand it very well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.